Hello everyone, welcome back into this channel, and today I want to share the tutorial how to share files through iDrops on your iPhone. So first thing we have to do is just make sure that our iDrop is on. How to turn on the iDrop? You can just go slide your screen here, your right screen, into downside to reach these shortcuts. Okay, and after that you need to go into these shortcuts. You just need to click and hold the Bluetooth sections. Okay, hold on. Okay, and after that you will have this information pop up on your screen. Make sure before you turn on the airdrops the Bluetooth is on, because this two is connected. Okay, and after that you just need to click the airdrop and choose you into everyone for 10 minutes to share the files. After we make sure that the airdrop is on, you just need to go click and find out what files that you want to send. For example, I would like to send this picture into another iPhone, so the things we have to do is just go click this share button and down here just need to click it until we have this access. So click in airdrop, and now you just need to make sure that the iPhone that you want to send these files to is nearest to you and turn on their airdrops too. And after that you just need to click the ID or the name of the airdrop of the other phone, and after that you just need to wait until the file is sent into their iPhone. Okay, so what about the files? Okay, let's open the folders or the files on our iPhones. Okay, here's the files. Click it, and now we just need to choose which files or which documents that we want to send to. For example, we want to send this. It will gonna be the same. You just need to click it to open, and after that go click this button, and now hold on and click the airdrops, and everything is the same as previous one. So that's all the way how to send files through airdrops into another phone. If you find that this tutorial is useful for you, don't forget to subscribe into this channel.